In the hush of forgotten splendor, a once grand mansion stood cloaked in decay, its glory faded. Now, witness its rebirth through masterful restoration. From crumbling stones to radiant chandeliers, artisans weave history with opulence, crafting a symphony of elegance. Each corner, revived with precision, tells a tale of resilience and craftsmanship. Join us on this exquisite odyssey, where high-contrast hues, navy, emerald, burgundy, and gold, transform ruin into a regal masterpiece, captivating the soul with timeless grandeur. Welcome to Creative Abode. We explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring living spaces. Whether transforming your home or discovering design trends, you're in the right place. Let's create stylish, comfortable, and creative spaces together. The front view of this restored Victorian mansion commands awe, risen from ruin to radiant majesty. Crisp white walls, framed by bold black trim, gleam against a deep navy entrance adorned with gilded accents. Gothic arches cradle vibrant stained glass windows, emerald, sapphire, ruby, casting prisms at golden hour. A cobblestone path, flanked by manicured hedges and stone urns, leads to the grand doors. High-contrast textures and colors weave a narrative of meticulous revival, showcasing professional artistry in every restored detail, a testament to elegance reborn. Enter the living room, a haven of opulent comfort within the restored mansion's embrace. Towering ceilings, adorned with intricate white plaster molding, contrast deep burgundy walls, exuding warmth. Emerald green velvet sofas encircle a carved mahogany table, beneath a gold and crystal chandelier's glow. Restored stained glass windows in sapphire and ruby hues flood the space with vibrant light, dancing on polished hardwood floors. A black and white geometric rug anchors the elegance, reflecting professional craftsmanship that transforms decay into descriptive, regal splendor. The master bedroom, a sanctuary of serene luxury, radiates within the restored mansion. A deep navy coffered ceiling with gold accents crowns creamy white walls, creating striking contrast. A grand four-poster bed, draped in burgundy and gold linens, rests on gleaming mahogany floors with a black and white rug. Stained glass windows in emerald and sapphire cast ethereal light, illuminating an ornate fireplace and velvet shades. This space, revived with professional finesse, blends intricate details and high-contrast hues, narrating a journey from ruin to elegant repose. The kitchen marries historic charm with modern elegance in this restored Victorian mansion. Glossy white cabinetry with gold handles contrasts a deep navy island topped with white marble. Emerald green subway tiles form a vibrant backsplash, while sapphire stained glass windows bathe the space in color. A black and white checkerboard floor gleams beneath a vintage chandelier, with brass fixtures adding refined touches. State-of-the-art appliances blend seamlessly, showcasing professional restoration's descriptive artistry, transforming neglect into a culinary masterpiece of high-contrast splendor. The mezzanine, a crowning jewel overlooking the mansion's grand foyer, exudes restored grandeur. Polished mahogany railings with ornate carvings edge the platform, set against crisp white walls and a burgundy carpet runner. A resplendent chandelier of gold and crystal illuminates vibrant stained glass skylights in emerald and ruby tones. Dark hardwood floors, inlaid with high-contrast black and white geometric patterns, complement Gothic arches and plasterwork. This space narrates professional elegance, its descriptive details reviving forgotten heights into a regal vantage point. Indulge in the bathroom's tranquil opulence, a spa-like retreat within the restored mansion. Deep navy walls meet crisp white wainscoting, contrasting a black and white marble floor. A freestanding clawfoot tub with gold fixtures sits beneath a stained glass window, casting sapphire and emerald hues. A marble-topped vanity, framed by a gilded mirror, gleams with intricate tilework and brass accents. This sanctuary, reborn through professional craftsmanship, weaves high-contrast elegance and descriptive details, transforming decay into a haven of refined luxury. The front yard, a verdant prelude to the mansion's majesty, blooms from ruin into manicured splendor. Symmetrical emerald green lawns frame ruby red and white flower beds, guiding a cobblestone path to navy doors. Manicured hedges and ivy trellises contrast the crisp white facade, with restored stone urns adding classical poise. At dusk, warm lanterns cast dramatic shadows, illuminating high-contrast textures. This outdoor canvas, revived with professional artistry, narrates descriptive elegance, harmonizing with the mansion's regal transformation. The rooftop terrace, a celestial retreat atop the restored mansion, blends historic allure with modern luxury. A black and white tiled floor with geometric patterns contrasts deep navy lounge seating cushioned in emerald green, encircling a glowing fire pit. Mahogany railings with gold accents frame Gothic spires, while stained glass lanterns in sapphire and ruby cast vibrant evening light. This aerial haven, reborn through professional restoration, weaves high-contrast elegance and descriptive details, transforming abandoned heights into a regal oasis. The working room, a study of inspired elegance, thrives within the restored mansion's grandeur. Deep burgundy walls with white crown molding contrast a polished mahogany desk and bookshelves brimming with leather tomes. Stained glass windows in emerald and sapphire hues cast vibrant light across a black and white rug. A gold chandelier and brass lamp add ornate sophistication. This space, revived with professional finesse, blends high-contrast hues and intricate details, narrating a transformation from dusty neglect to a descriptive, regal workspace. The backyard, a serene oasis reborn from tangled ruin, completes the mansion's restoration. A lush emerald green lawn centers a white marble fountain, framed by ruby red and white blooms. A mahogany pergola with navy drapes shades a black and white stone patio, lit by stained glass lanterns in sapphire and emerald hues at twilight. This tranquil realm, revived with professional artistry, weaves high-contrast elegance and descriptive landscaping, harmonizing with the mansion's regal narrative of splendid renewal. This restored mansion stands as a monument to artistry, its journey from ruin to regal splendor complete. From the majestic front view to the tranquil backyard, each space sings of meticulous craftsmanship, blending history with